To begin this video, let's clarify what expert advisors are and how they work. Taking into account that there are new subscribers and this information can help them in their trading career. Expert advisors, also known as Forex robots, are software programs designed to automate trading strategies in the foreign exchange market. They can be used by Forex traders to perform trades automatically according to a set of predetermined rules. One of the main benefits of expert advisors is that they allow traders to make trades automatically and without having to be physically present in front of a computer. This can be useful for those who have other responsibilities and cannot dedicate all their time to trading, or for those who want to diversify their investment portfolio and need a way to do it in an automated way. However, it is also important to keep in mind that expert advisors are not infallible and do not guarantee trading success. It is important to carefully evaluate any expert advisor before using it and to always be aware of any changes in the market that may affect the robot's performance. In addition, it is important to remember that trading involves risk and losses are possible even when using expert advisors. In this website, we can find many expert advisors, but many of them do not have support nor customer service. This leaves us at a loss when buying a robot where no one will respond to us after purchasing it. There are also others with a high price for a beginner trader, and we cannot afford it. Today, I will introduce you to FOREX Infinite Pips. I have received good feedback and the same company contacted me to test their expert advisor and talk about it. It is worth mentioning that I will tell the whole truth about this robot, and it will be done with transparency so that users can have full information about this expert advisor. FOREX Infinite Pips is an expert advisor designed to automate trading strategies on the USD currency pair within 15 minutes. By trading only this currency pair and in such a short time frame, the expert advisor can offer greater speed and agility in making trading decisions. One of the main benefits of FOREX Infinite Pips is its affordable price. With a monthly fee of $100 or the option to purchase it by the semester, it ranks among the most affordable expert advisors on the market. This may appeal to traders who are just beginning to explore the use of expert advisors and want to do so affordably, or to those who are on a tight budget and are looking for a more affordable option. In addition, FOREX Infinite Pips is compatible with MetaTrader 4, which means it is easy to install and use. MetaTrader 4 is an advanced trading platform that is widely used in the foreign exchange, Forex, and other financial markets. It offers a wide range of tools and resources for traders of all experience levels and is compatible with expert advisors such as FOREX Infinite Pips. From the trades that FOREX opened for me, these are the results so far. 1 winning trade of $715 and 2 losing trades of $132 and $105, leaving us with a profit of $478. Not bad for starting to use this trade. I should mention that I am using a demo account to use this expert advisor, and then I will use it on my live account. To install FOREX Infinite Pips in MetaTrader 4, follow these steps. Download and install MetaTrader 4 on your computer. You can download it from the MetaTrader 4 website or through a broker that offers the platform. Once installed, launch the platform and go to the Market section in the Navigator tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Expert Advisors tab and then click on the Expert and the button to expand the section. Inside Macel 4, you should find the Experts folder and paste the file since you bought it in FOREX. Then you should also paste the dull file in Libraries and refresh the Experts Advisor folder. Then simply drag the indicator to USD and it will ask you for an access code. You can now start to see how the Expert Advisor will open trades for you. All Expert Advisors should have a human control. Do not activate it when there is news and you will be better off. In the next video, I will bring you more results with this expert advisor. I will leave you a 15 discount code that I have left for subscribers of the channel. So guys, that's all for this video. Leave your comments and a like to keep sharing more informative videos like this one. See you on the next wave.